Welcome to my Skillshare channel. I'm Amr, a character artist and illustrator for more than 8 years now. In this class, I'd be happy to share with you my entire process to illustrate characters and how to bring them into life. We'll start by sketching out the characters, moving to Adobe Illustrator to block the colors, shade the characters, and add some details that will give depth to them. After that, we will head to Adobe Photoshop to do some magic to bring these characters to life. By working more on lighting the scene, using brushes professionally to take your characters to the next level. And don't worry about this, because as a bonus for this class, you will be having my whole favorite pack of brushes for Adobe Photoshop. You will have all kinds of brushes and textures you can ever dream for in this class. You will definitely going to enjoy this fun journey. To watch this class, all what you need to do is to sign up to Skillshare and you'll instantly get access to all my classes and join more than 2,000 satisfied students on my channel. Not only that, but you will also have access to all the classes on Skillshare in all kinds of fields from fellow teachers all over the globe. So with that said, hope to see you there and let's get started.